Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn any image into a professional product mockup using Google AI completely for free. First, open your browser and go to Google's AI-powered tool called Google Image FX. Just search for it online. Upload the image you want to turn into a mockup like your logo, artwork, or design. Next, you'll see a text box where you can describe the kind of mockup you want. For example, type something like a white t-shirt, a coffee mug, or a phone case. You can also add more details, like on a wooden table or with natural lighting, to make it look more realistic. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate. Google's AI will now create multiple mockup options based on your image and description. This usually takes just a few seconds. Preview the results and pick the one that looks best. You can download it instantly as a high-quality PNG file. And that's it. You now have a professional product mockup ready to use for your portfolio, website, or social media. If this helped you out, let me know what you're creating down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.